Hi everyone, it's me Rose back. I'm here at Shoes of Hollywood doing more reviews for you. I am back and I'm here to stay. So I'll be doing some amazing shoe reviews for you, and today I've got some beautiful shoes to unbox and show you guys. So they're just our generic no brand shoes, but they're absolutely gorgeous. Now these are a Euro 38, which we've come down to figure out that the Euro 38 is like a US 7. So these tend to fit me. I'm going to unbag these gorgeous shoes. As you can see, it's definitely a rosy shoe. I'm going to measure the heel in just one moment. I'm just going to describe them. So we have the faux kind of leathery kind of suede kind of look on the heel and the upper. And then you've got a zipper at the back, and then this really cool gold buckle strap detail on the top and the upper of this. So I find that really amazing. You've got your little bit of a platform, and I'm just going to measure, and then I'll try with this one. So 6-inch heel. So perfect height. So I'm going to try these ones on, which I'm very excited for. Get my hair out of my face. Okay, I'm not too sure if I'd have to undo the buckles to try it on, but we'll see. I might be able to. No, I don't think I am. Okay. I'm gonna undo them. A bit easier for me to put on. There we go. What's happening here? New shoe, a bit tight to put on. There we go. Okay. So I'm going to zip that up. Now I've got to remember that goes where. Okay, that one goes in that one. This one goes over there. Perfect. There we go. I think that's set up right. Undo these buckles. Okay, this one's being twisted and put in the wrong way. But we can figure that out. Come on. Little bottom bit's a bit tight, being a new shoe. There we go. Okay, so this one. And this one down here. Okie dokie. They're comfy. Well, they're really comfortable shoes. Okay, I know how much you guys like to see them outside, so we're going to take this for a little walk outside. Alright guys, so that's the wrap up of the video. Now I will say with these shoes, they are a Euro 38, so we've established they are definitely a US 7, as I am a 7. There is only one pair of these shoes, there's no other sizes, and so if you'd like a rosy shoe, these ones, we'll put the link in the description. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, see you all soon, bye.